Nice. The full time here show some people.
Help! She's drowning! Help! She's drowning! Help! Kamisha!
Camille! 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 Get some help now. You just stand up yourself. Yeah. I need the ambulance and call the police. No, hurry. Yeah, there's been an accident. Alright. Camille. Camille?
Mommy? Mommy!
Call help now. A box of bitch.
I believe in your soul. I know we need each other. I know our love is strong. We're still riding down this road. Ooh, my love, I can feel you in my bones. This is real. I hear your voice too close. Oh, this feeling grows while I'm filling up this void. Far away, far beyond the limits. Every day, finding our soul. Anyway, it feels like coming home. Coming home, coming home. Coming home, coming home. It feels like coming home. Far away, far beyond the limits. Every day, it feels like coming home. Oh,
Taste it and tell me if I still got it.
Perfect. The best coffee me ever have.
Rema, you know you're extra sometime?
Since you leave.
It's just regular coffee.
Oh. Well, maybe it's just, your hands will make the difference.
Always the charmer. You're not easy, you know?
Feel like you're still a dream, not true. Not true. Not true.
Raymond, you alright?
Me? Yeah. Why?
You know, say you act strange from the up, so.
Strange how?
The night when I call you and you claim say you're the pan stakeout.
Claim? What that supposed to mean?
It means say you there do something where you're not supposed to do.
Like what? We are trying to make it on the pan stakeout.
I not say that because it's a part of the job description. But how you did some is like you did near somebody where you're not supposed to be.
Like, who?
Stop playing naive, Raymond. You know who me attack.
No, Angie. No. Me don't know who you attack.
Miranda.
Who?
You see it? Look how you're guilty. Me never stutter. I Tony me say. And you know you're not supposed to be close to him.
Not true. Oh, Tony. Yeah.
So who you here?
Oh no, man. It sounds like you did call another name. You don't need more coffee.
Go and play fool for catch-wise. Remember you tell me say the South American agency them are watch pops. Try not blow it for you.
Look at Miranda.
Who?
Mr. Miranda. Me blow the opportunity. More than mash up anything for anybody else.
Nervousness a killer, not true.